Mathako noyo njira ya mwanya ya guthondeka ugendi wa thiini wa guku bururi-ini na ino ni ndumiriri irarekereirio weekend ino mbitika-ini cia golf gikiro-ini kia rugamiriri anene na iria iratabanirio kiharo-ini gia Thika Green county-ini ya Kiambu.
We have a lot of untapped potential when it comes to golf as a product for as a tourist product. We need to diversify on our tourism market offerings. We have over-concentrated on safaris, we have concentrated on the beach. We need to market sports tourism.
Makiria ma ahuri a golf 213 nio mareyumiritie mbitika-ini ici gatagati kao ari Senator Kibirũ uria uritie thirikari cia matura gutigirira ni ciagacirithia mathako amuyo noyo njira ya mwanya ya gutigirira ugendi wa thiini wa bururi-ini wa kurukigacirithio.
So what we are saying is before we even go international, we need to encourage our people. Like now on 24th, we have the semi-finals for the inter-counties. And we have the Great Rift Valley team coming. We have the Happy Valley, the Nyandarua and others, and the Metumi will come here. And they have invited other counties, but those are the top three who will be competing on the semi-finals in preparation for the finals, which is targeted for September.
Gaturu kohoro muthaki Samuel Njuguna uria ni muthaki mweru muno makiria aratugota muthaki mwega makiria wa mbitika ici mwena warume undu wa kugegania ariwe kwanjiriria guthaka muthako uyu gikiro gia pro mweri-ini wa iri. Maya makihanikaga timu ya bururi ya Nyarari muthako-ini wa volleyball ni Malkia Strikers ni maraikirio nja ya ngucanio cia itaru thiini wa thi ni bururi wa Belgium mbitika iria iratabanirio bururi-ini wa Italy. Malkia marahotirwo na seti 3 gwa gibugu cia pointi 25 gwa 15, 25 gwa 14 na 25 kwa 7 na kurikia mbitika ici manyitiriria mutingo thiini wa Group F.